Hey guys, Kuppig here with TYGER Productions. Today we're going to be making a beautiful wedding centerpiece. For today's arrangement, we'll be using a beautiful selection of freshly cut flowers. We have white stock, white cymbidium orchids with this beautiful hint of pink, white hydrangea, ivory roses, light lavender roses, white calla lilies, and eucalyptus. Let's get started. Step one, we're going to prep our vase. Today we're using this really beautiful footed urn in a bronze finish. This is nice because it'll give the arrangement a little bit of height and a little opportunity for the flowers to cascade. So we've pre-soaked the oasis and now we're going to fit it to our container. And what we'll do is just cut it as needed to fit. We're just going to take a little bit off on both of these sides and we have two pieces ready to go. And you can also really just kind of use a little bit of force to get the oasis in there. Perfect. Easy as that. For the flowers, I always like to use the biggest element first, in this case, hydrangea. So with the hydrangea, we're going to remove the leaves. This is going to give the arrangement a cleaner look. We're going to cut these down a bit and start using the hydrangea to build out the shape and the dimensions of the arrangement. Next, we're using our lavender roses, which we've reflexed, and these are going to bring in some really beautiful pops of color. Do these in groupings so you get that much more burst and impact. Next, we're going to be adding the white roses. So like the lavender, we're going to group these so we get some nice areas of texture. Now that we have this beautiful dome shape using the hydrangea and the roses, we're going to use the stock and the eucalyptus to add a little bit of dimension and bring it out a bit, just to break this up. So trim the stock down and organically incorporate it into the arrangement. So you'll see the stock doesn't need to step out that much, just a little bit goes a long way and it really just helps break up the shape that we've made. All right, next we're going to be adding the eucalyptus and that's going to give some really great touches of green and more texture to the arrangement. Next, we're going to add calla lilies, and these are just an accent. We'll do them in small groupings, and it's just a little bit of extra texture and movement. So the final detail, we're going to add the cymbidium orchids. Now on these guys, because it's a very short stem, you just want to use a water pick like this, and then you can place it and the flower will be getting water. And these are just little accents to give a touch of color. And this is the final arrangement. See you guys next time.